Hello guys, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started styling my hair. As you saw in the title, I will be using a new product and it is, grab my glasses real quick here. And it is the Nature's Little Secret Irish Moss Styling Cream made with Irish moss for all hair types. And it looks like that. It is a 12-ounce jar. All right, so this is my hair from the deep conditioner, from deep conditioning my hair. And so this is it here. Oh, it smells good. It feels nice and soft. My hair is very soft. Nice and soft here. This is what it's looking like. You know what, guys? My next one, I'm gonna have to do my I'm gonna have to do my color coming up. Yeah, we can't go no more. We can't go anymore without coloring this hair. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. But she feels nice. She feels nice and soft. She feels like nice and hydrated. This is what it looks like. She smells really good too. Okay, deep conditioner. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. All right. Go ahead and open her up. So it comes with, I like the Nature's Little Secret packaging because it comes with the nice seal on here. Nice seal. So the deep conditioner also came with the seal. And this one came with the seal too as well. Oh, this one smells really nice. This one smells, I'm not good at describing scents, but this one, I like this scent here. Like a fruity kind of smell. I don't know, but she is thick. She's a thick one, a thick one, a thick one. So it's very thick there. And, oh, yeah. She's a thick one like that. See, you can tell she's thick. And then very thick cream. She smells good. So she's thick there. Oh. Oh. She feels thick, she feels nice and like a buttery kind of feel, but feel kind of light, like a light buttery feel. She smells really, really good. I love the smell of this one here. Yeah, very nice. Oh, it gave my fingers nice shine. Look at the shine on it. I don't know if you could tell. Gave my fingers nice shine. Okay. And as you know, I already put in my Kinky curly knot today all over my hair, just a very little bit. And it feels nicely. Okay. And as you guys know, I don't use a lot of product. I'm just going to go in with a little for right now. Just that much right now. It spreads nicely. Okay, put it in my hand. And this is going to be a one and done product. Oh, that feels nice. Nice slip. Feel the moisture in this. I'm just going to get a little more and put it on my ends. Very nice. It feels nice. Okay. I'll just show you this piece here. And I'm just doing twist all over, just single strand twist all over. I like the feel of this cream. It had nice slip. It feels nice and moisturized. It doesn't feel overly buttery like. Let me see if it's going to give me a nice definition. It said nice definition, and it's supposed to give me a nice, a light to medium hold. So we're going to see how that will work. Make sure you get up here in your roots. And I'm smoothing it down to my ends. It feels good. It has nice slip. Very nice slip. It glides on nicely. It melts in your hair nicely too as well. If I add water to it, just a little bit, it even glides on more. It's like the butter even sinks in there more and give you extra moisture. It just feels really good with that little bit of extra water on there. Just smoothing my roots out here. And that's it. And by me just continue to like rubbing, I guess, kind of gliding my hair, the detangle is helping to give me that extra definition. That's what I've been doing to my hair with my twist since I've been doing this series, and I noticed that I have a lot more curl definition too as well. Let's see, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I find that I have a lot more curl definition by doing it like that. I don't know, that's what I can tell. So let's see which way I want to go. I'll go this way. always get confused which way I want to twist when I get in the front. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and twist on the top this way here. And as you see, there's no whiteness. It's like the product, the cream is sinking in, melting into my hair nicely. Just get to the end and swirl. And if it doesn't curl, you can either scrunch it or you can put a roller on the end of it. If you like to put those little rod rollers on the end, that will help your ends curl too as well. Anyway, guys, all done. Took my twists down. I have them pinned up here. They feel very nice and soft. I feel they do not feel dry whatsoever. So like that. I do have frizz, but this is day 4 takedown. But I just love the way she feel, nice and soft. I did put my oil on there because I felt that the shine wasn't, there was some shine, but not enough shine for me. I wanted a little bit more shine, so I did put more shine and more oil on there. But yeah, just a little frizz going on, but like I said, day 4. So let's look at this cream here. It's the Nature's Little Secret Irish Moss Styling Cream. And this cream here, it says, Irish moss is a type of seaweed, often used in food as a thickener. This nourish-rich seaweed is also great for hair. Irish moss is a natural source of strength and nourishment for your hair. Irish moss adds smoothness to your hair and enhance shine. The extract from Irish moss also provides a light to medium hold for styles. Also, it says our handmade Irish moss cream will leave your hair nourished, soft, and have definition. So that's what it says here. You can use this on wet hair or dry hair. So you can use it on wet or dry. And let's look at the ingredients, some of the ingredients. It does have the water. It has Irish moss extract. And then it has the slippery elm bark extract, and then it has also, it says flaxseed extract. It has aloe vera, and then other like oils and things in here too as well. So it has good ingredients. This is a sulfate free, a parabens free, silicone free. It is silicone free, and no artificial coloring, and no animal testing, and no DEA. I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, good ingredients, natural ingredients. Like I said, the product, it went on nicely. It was nice and creamy. In applying it, It wasn't, it was a thick cream, but applying it, it just felt kind of, it felt a little bit more like thinner than that Mielle cream that I used. So I did like the texture of that. But when I did add just a little water to it, it even gave me more slip, which you know, you guys, I like to do just to add that extra water to it. But I love the way that cream felt. It felt really nice on my hair and it was nice and moisturized. A little of that cream goes a long way. So yeah, love the way that feel. And I guess mixing it with that deep conditioner, that moisture from that deep conditioner, I feel probably that's why my hair is really soft. My hair is really nice and soft. So anyway, so let's go ahead and see if we can fluff her out now. She's been sitting for a minute. I have lots of definition. And as you guys know, I did add that oil. She just feels so good. Okay guys, here's my results. She feels nice and soft. She got lots of definition. Love my results here. Let me turn around and show you the back. I'm not sure what it looks like back there. Try to scrunch some of these curls in. And sometimes when you have kind of wompy kind of curls, kind of just scrunch them like that. And it'll kind of, I don't know, fall in place. It works for me. I don't know. But yeah. So kind of scrunch them up a little bit. And then they'll just fall in place just like a flower. That's it. I love my results here. My hair, it feel like it's going to be a nice fluffy one. It feels, yeah, kind of movable there. Love my results. Anyway, guys, you guys tell me if you like this cream. Have you tried this cream? I do right now, and I do like it. Can't wait to try it again. Like I said, it is a thick cream, just a little bit more creamier and a little bit, just a tiny bit thinner than the other cream that I used. So I don't know. I think my results came out good. I had the hold, I had the definition, and I do have that shine, even though I did put more oil on top of that. Yeah. Look, you guys like my earrings? I got these earrings from TJ Maxx. They always have the unique little items in there you can find. Anyway, anyway, but this is my hair, my day 4 takedown. Love the results here. Anyway, I'm going to keep you guys posted and let you know how long this twist out is going to last, how it feels, and yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Hello, guys. You know I had to come and show you my results. This is day 6. Day 6 here. You're not going to believe it. Day 6. Look at my curls. I have lots of definition. Lots of definition. I did add some oil just to add just a little bit more shine. She did have a shine. Once I took my bonnet off, she did still had that little shine going on, but I just added a little bit more oil to fluff her out. The important part, she's soft. She's nice, soft. It's like a fluffy kind of soft. Feel nice and airy and fluffy. And I guess the hole is like a light hole, because it did say it was a light to medium hole. I guess it's like a light hole. I don't know, but I'm liking the definition that I have going on. I do have a little frizz there, but I said it's fine. But yeah, love my results. Let me show you the back. You guys, day 6 hair. I don't know, this cream. This cream is, oh, I just like this cream. This cream, and I still can't figure out what that smell is. It just smells so nice. It's very light, very pleasant, very, don't you know, just, it smells good. Very light. I don't even smell it in my hair or anything now. It just smells so good. I'm thinking about doing a wash and go maybe with this cream. I know it's a pretty thick cream, but let me show you. I just feel that it's like a it feels kind of thin. I don't know because it's really creamy or so, but it just feels nice and yeah, nice and creamy, moisturizing. I don't know. And look at that shine. It does give you a nice little shine there. So, but anyway, guys, I just wanted to come and show you my day 6 hair. I can't believe it, from the takedown now. From the takedown. And love my results. Anyway, guys, today is Valentine's Day. I got my hearts on again. My little hearts on again. And you know I'm loving these earrings I was telling you guys about. But anyway, just wanted to say happy Valentine's Day. And just remember, I love you all. Happy Valentine's Day. Mwah.